To create your free account, it's very easy. Start by entering your personal information, the name of your enterprise, country, phone number, and email address. Enter a password of your choice, and then read our terms of service. Congratulations! You have an account on the SOWIT mobile app. Welcome back to the SOWIT mobile app. To create your first plot, all you have to do is to look for the name of your region on the search box. You can either look for it manually or enter the GPS coordinates. In this case, the region that we are looking for is in Kenitra. Use the navigation window to look for your plot. Now that we have found it, it's time to start drawing. Click Start, and a pointer will appear at the middle of your smartphone. Move the map until the pointer is aligned with the corner of your plot. Click on the button to place the first pointer. Repeat the same process until you have marked all the edges of your plot. Once you are sure that the edges of your plot are drawn in the right way, you can click Validate in order to save your selection. Now you have to enter information related to your plot, like the name of the plot, the exploitation that it belongs to, the current crops, the crops of last season, the variety of the crop, and the type of the soil, and of course the sowing year. In the next page, you will have to enter the precise sowing date, as well as the planting cycle and the yield objectives. Congratulations! Your plot has been created successfully.